So here it is. I think it's okay. What? Never mind. So I think this is dry. Oh, it ripped, so I think it's dry. I'm gonna use this part. Oh, it's all dry. I don't like this slime. It's dry. I want that slime to be good, but it's supposed to be coconut. But look at the color. It's not coconut now. Bye, bye, sister. We're gonna come back. Yeah, it's my sister. But I don't want to mix this and that because it's already dry and I don't like it because it makes my heart so bad. Okay. Oh, you know, shampoo, dish soap, and so, yeah. Right? Oh! Wow, this is a slime. It's very good, but it's hard. But hard. Okay. This is not coconut. It's supposed to be coconut, but now it's not. Well, go check the other one. Cause yeah, it's supposed to be coconut and. Oh, so close. Okay, this is stick at the ground. I'm very confused. Yeah. Okay. I need to take a rest for a moment, but so you guys comment down below, like this video, and subscribe because my arm will get tired and it will get hurt. So I have to go to the hospital. It's been years, so bye. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.